Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Before I explain further about the topic of this presentation, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Laras Tinata. I am currently employed at Dwi Banyu Biru Company as a field supervisor. My responsibilities include preparing video of quantity RBOK, reporting the progress of project activities, and coordinating project worker according to their respective skills. Through this role, I ensure that project activities run efficiently, on schedule, and accordance with established standards. Okay, next slide. I will present topic of this presentation, which is the Bali Cement Terminal Project Bulk and Loading Silo. In this presentation, I will explain the project overview, the project specification, the scope of work, method of work, schedule tender process, and the contract condition. I will discuss the location of the Bali Bulk Loading and Silo project. The proposed project site is located in Bali, Indonesia, specifically in Pamugan, Denpasar City, Bali. On this side, you can see the position of the project site at this location. Okay, I will explain the access to the project location for the new bulk loading and silo at the Bali Cement Terminal. This slide highlights the main access and supporting facilities, including seaports, road access, air transportation, communications facilities, and land availability. Next, I will explain the layout drawing of the Bali Bulk Loading and Silo project. These slides show the top view of the project. The main information presents, including a total project area of 20 times 20 square meters, maximum silo height of 18 meters, two steel silos with a capacity of 114 cubic meters is a silo diameter of 5,016 millimeters. Next, here are the detailed location of the Bali City Box Silo as shown in the arrows. Next are the detailed specification for the bulk loading and silo, and here are the detailed silo layouts. Scope of work. The first preparation, mobilization, and demobilization for manpower on equipment, setting outside site office, project management, safety, security, and housekeeping, insurance, manpower, and CAR, water and electric source and connection, certified heavy equipment, delivery cost for axis telescopic scaffolding following Indosemen Tunggal Prakarsa standard. The second civil works are precast pile foundation pile cap substructure, ground beam substructure, and then pedestal and column upper structure, and RC slab for loading area. The third steel structure work. There are silo log support, portal frame, platform support, siding frame and canopy structure, staircase, and vertical ladder. Next, architecture works. There are canopy, roofing, and siding cover, brick wall, electrical panel room, and compressor room. The last mechanical works are procurement, steel silo, and pipe installation.
Next method of work, civil architecture and steel structure work. First, survey or location marking. Conduct a site survey and perform making by installing bulk links to determine pile driving points according to the design drawings. All points must be accurate positioned and aligned with the approved plans. Second, peeling works. Peeling is carried out using a suitable peeling hammer or machine to drive the precast piles into the ground. The process continues until the pile reaches the specified depth or achieves the required bearing capacity according to project specification. Third, file splicing. If file extension is required due to a limited file range, splicing must be performed properly and securely. In compliance with applicable standards, splicing is typically carried out through welding or other approved methods to ensure strength and alignment. File cutting. File cutting is performed using a concrete cutting machine equipped with blades suitable for reinforced concrete. The cutting process must be done carefully and progressively to avoid damage to file's main reinforcement bars. Method of work for ground beam structure. There are work excavation for file cap foundation and ground beam substructure. Excavation for work is carried out for the file cap foundation and ground beam substructure, followed by disposal of the excavated soil. While for backfilling preparation, we provide crushed pile debris and clay. Method of work for ground beam substructure. First, earthwork excavation is carried out for the file cap foundation and ground beam substructure, followed by disposal of excavated soil. For backfilling preparation, we provide crushed pile debris and select hard soil material from the excavation if needed. Excavation works are performed using a DC-75 excavator or giant breaker when required. The second backfilling work, backfilling with viscous material, is continued with compaction and is followed by PBR testing using the DCP method. Next, in concrete and structure work. Then concrete is carried out using concrete FC and MPA, followed by river installation, formwork, and concrete casting K300 or concrete FC 30 MPA for pile caps and ground beams. Pedestal formwork and casting. Pedestal formwork is carried out, followed by anchorable installation and casting using K300 or concrete FC 30 MPA. Site cleaning. Final cleaning work is performed including removal of excess soil and releveling or backfilling of the work area if needed. Method of work for steel structure work. Fabrication of support for new cement is carried out to PT Bureau workshop located in Citra, Bogor. The material fabricated at the workshop includes steel columns, portal frame, staircase, and platforms. The second, material moving or delivery. The fabricated support for new cement silo is transported from the PT workshop in Citra, Bogor to Denpasar, Bali. Erection works to structure, erection of box H-beam columns using a mobile crane or roof terrain crane. Platform and access installation. Installation of joist, checkered plates, handrail, followed by housekeeping and finishing works. Siding and canopy installation. Installation of siding frames, canonical ladders is performed manually or using a chain block when required. Next, contract condition. First, unit price contract or lump sum contract. The second, tender processing. The third, LOA, work permit, contract approval, order, down payment, 20% with bank guarantee, progress payment, hands over, retention 10%, maintenance period are 6 months, penalty max 5%, professional acceptance criteria, and last, final acceptance criteria. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. More or less, I apologize. See you later.